Tuna pasta salad. This salad has it all: delicious pasta, savory tuna, and creamy, sweet, and zesty sauce. Coming up. To begin, in a large pot of hot boiling water, add in 16 ounces of your favorite short pasta. Season with a pinch of salt and cook the pasta as per direction on the package. Usually takes about 7 to 9 minutes. While the pasta is cooking, dice up half a large red onion. To the onion, add in a quarter of a cup of red wine vinegar and set the onion aside. Then dice up 4 ribs of celery, 1 red bell pepper, and a handful of fresh Italian parsley. After 9 minutes, once your pasta has cooked all the way through, drain and rinse under cold water. Then, transfer the pasta into a large mixing bowl. Add in 1 cup of mayo, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of sweet relish. Add in the diced onion with the red wine vinegar, followed by the red bell pepper and the celery. And the main ingredient, 16-ounce can of solid white albacore tuna, drained. Then 5 hard-boiled eggs, roughly chopped. Give that a toss. After all the ingredients have been evenly combined, give it a taste and see if you need salt and pepper. I am adding a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. After seasoning with salt and pepper, give it one more toss. Now, refrigerate for about 3 hours before serving. And to finish it off, garnish with paprika and fresh Italian parsley. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, tuna pasta salad. Enjoy. Buen provecho.